a great choice today with the 2011 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, premium sound system. Come see the car for yourself.